Why don't you all get along? I have no control of how they behave, what they think of. But I can change people by molding art. Their coconut head, hard shell. I cannot tell them what to do. They cannot see my vision to get along. I can only do that in tattoo. Artists today are today, in their 20s today. You have to remember, they were teenagers 10 years ago. 20 years ago, those who are 30 years old, they were 10 years old. They didn't understand what I was going through. All the divide, segregation amongst Polynesians, different communities, different cities from Salt Lake, West Valley, Oakland, EPAs, San Mateo, San Bruno, Redwood City, Gardena, Heartland, Lawndale, Long Beach, all the way Pomona, Riverside. I was a different people, a lot of different Polynesian people. I was the only Polynesian tattoo artist who was moving around. The Polynesian artists today, they don't move around. They just stay